In December, we took a Christmas vacation to the great state of Tennessee, and we spent a few days in Kingsport visiting Jack's brother before heading to Pigeon Forge. In this video, we are going to share with you the hotel that we stayed in during our Kingsport visit, and we'll share some restaurants that we really enjoyed during our stay as well. Kingsport is a part of East Tennessee's Tri-Cities area, along with Bristol and Johnson City. In addition to being home to Jack's brother, it's also home to the headquarters of Eastman Chemical Company, which spun off from Eastman Kodak Company in the 1990s. It's also home to a hotel called Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Kingsport Meadowview I-26. If you think the name isn't very catchy, you'll be glad to know that we found this hotel to be a nice place to stay for a few days in spite of the name. This is the main lobby area with a shop offering grab-and-go snacks and toiletries, as well as the check-in desk. The lobby also has a seating area and a business center if you need access to a printer or copier.
It's time for the room tour. We had a 2-queen suite with sofa bed. So as you first enter the suite, the first of 2 rooms is a living room area that has a sofa bed. A flat panel TV on the wall above a dresser with 3 drawers, and a desk with an office chair. There's also some counter space in this area where there's a microwave, coffee maker, mini fridge, and a cabinet with extra bedding for the sofa bed. The bathroom is near the entrance to the suite where you come into the front room. They had Dove soap products. They had this comfortable chair. The shower tub combo has body wash, shampoo, and conditioner pumps mounted on the wall. So back out of the bathroom, you walk through the living room area and get to the bedroom. We like the idea of having these doors close off the 2 rooms in case you have other guests sleeping in the sofa bed or staying up later than the rest of your traveling party. There are 2 queen beds with a nightstand in the middle with 2 lamps above it. There are some outlets for charging your devices, as well as a phone, an alarm clock, some notepaper and pen, and a shelf underneath. There's another TV in the bedroom, mounted above another dresser. Next to that is a rack to set your luggage on, which has a couple ottomans underneath. And near that is a closet with hanging space, ironing board, and safe. This suite was about $145 a night plus taxes. It was slightly less expensive than that on the weeknights we were there, but a little more expensive than that on the weekends when we were there. The window in our room had a nice view of the Moose Lodge next door, with the factory on past that in the distance.
Our room was on the 2nd floor. It was December, so the area right outside the elevator was festively decorated. There was also a window there overlooking the breakfast room, and this was also decorated for Christmas. For breakfast, they had a selection of fruit, cereal, biscuits and gravy, sausage, both turkey and pork, scrambled eggs, various pastries, muffins, and bagels, oatmeal, milk, and juice. And this cool machine where you press the button and you wait about a minute and then it poops out a fresh pancake on your plate. The hotel also has guest laundry facilities. There's a fitness center with a few cardio machines and no weights. And there's an indoor pool as well, which we always enjoy. By the way, if you enjoy travel videos, please consider subscribing to our channel and click the thumbs up to give us a like. We appreciate the support.
We enjoyed our stay here. It looked pretty modern and our room was comfortable. But now, as a bonus, we're going to share some places we enjoyed eating during our stay in Kingsport. If you know of any restaurants we should try in the area, you should let us know in the comments. These are just our favorites of the ones we tried out on our trip. First up is the Chop House. This is a small chain of steakhouses. They have 7 restaurants in Tennessee, 1 in Ohio, and 2 in Georgia. The food here was really good. Here's a look at their lunch menu. You can pause it to see more detail. I ordered the petite pork chops with mashed potatoes and mac and cheese for $16. It originally came with creamed spinach, but I don't like my spinach creamed, so I got mac and cheese instead. Alice ordered a sirloin steak with baked potato for $16. Her steak phase continues. Alice's mom was with us on this trip. She ordered the Angus chopped steak for $15. She got it with mashed potatoes and creamed spinach. The chopped steak normally has onions and mushrooms on it, but she ordered it without those toppings. This was a really good steakhouse. We ate lunch with some family friends who live in the area, and we had a great time.
The next place we enjoyed is Mid-City Grill. You can check out the menu here. This place is known for their burgers and sandwiches. They have a challenge where you can win a t-shirt by eating a 6-patty burger with 12 pieces of bacon and 12 pieces of cheese, along with a full plate of fries in 30 minutes. As much as I love collecting t-shirts in our travels, I have difficulty finishing a burger with just 1 patty in one sitting, so there's no hope for that. We got fried cheese ravioli as an appetizer for $7.29. This was delicious. For my dinner, I tried the appetizer sampler. It had 2 sliders, 3 more fried cheese ravioli, and fried portobello fingers for $10.99. My mom got a house salad for $4.99, and she helped me eat some of my appetizer sampler. They had a special which they advertised as the return of the Mac. This was a burger topped with mac and cheese and barbecue sauce and bacon for $11.99. The mac came with a side of fries. Jack loved this burger. His brother was with us for this meal, and he got the hot dog meal, which has 2 hot dogs with your choice of toppings and a side for $10.99. He had fries for his side as well. The food here was delicious. Definitely not healthy, but delicious. It had a wonderful greasy spoon diner kind of vibe. We split a slice of lemon cake for dessert, which was also great.
We have another restaurant to review in just a moment, but first, a couple of honorable mentions. When we first visited Kingsport in 2021, we visited Sievers, a delicious pie and donut spot. We especially fell in love with their orange creamsicle donuts. They were so good. So we stopped off here again, and, well, due to supply chain issues they were having at the time, they were not serving the orange-flavored masterpieces. We still ordered some chocolate iced donuts, and they were delicious. I recently checked their website. They do still have some flavors that they are not serving due to supply chain issues, and orange creamsicle is still one of them. Hopefully it will return soon. But even without it, if you're in the area and you like donuts, you should definitely go to Sievers.
Another honorable mention is Powell's Sudden Service. It's a small fast food chain that has 31 restaurants, almost all of them in Tennessee, though it appears there are a few in the western part of the state of Virginia. We ate here last time we were in town, and we were going to again for lunch as we were leaving town, but the line was wrapped around the building, and we just didn't want to wait. But the reason it has a long line is that this is pretty good for fast food. It isn't gourmet, but it is quick and cheap, and it tastes better than many fast food chains. We love the buildings, as many Powell's locations have giant statues of burgers and hot dogs and fries right on the building. You can't get this chain in most parts of the country, so we definitely suggest trying it if you are in Kingsport, where there are 7 locations, or anywhere else that you can find Powell's.
And finally, my brother took us to a barbecue place he loved in Kingsport, and it's called The Shack. It's located in a strip mall, and it may not look like much from the outside, but the food inside was delicious. We got an order of cheese fries as an appetizer for us to share. I got a barbecue pork sandwich plate with house-made chips for $7.49.
Jack's brother got a pulled pork plate with slaw and baked beans and garlic toast for $7.69. I also got a pulled pork plate, but with green beans and house-made chips, also for $7.69. Jack's brother promised us some good barbecue, and he really delivered with this tangy, juicy, tender barbecue that we all loved. So that is our suggestions of a nice but not too expensive place to stay, and some places to find good steak, burgers, and barbecue in the area. And don't forget the donuts. We left Tennessee with our bellies full, ready to begin our post-vacation diets. Click the links at the end of this video to check out videos of 2 of our favorite hotels in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, about 100 miles from Kingsport. Those are Dollywood's Dreammore Resort and a year-round Christmas hotel. Both of these hotels were great. I'm Alice.
And I'm Jack.
Be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so we can see you the next time we're traveling through.